Zero, the little bird, was flying in the forest for the very first time. His wings were small and his heart was full of excitement, but suddenly he felt scared and didn't know how to continue. Zero landed on a tree branch, feeling nervous. The wind was strong, and all the bigger birds around him were flying fast. "I can't do it. What if I fall?" Zero whispered to himself. Suddenly, he heard the sounds of little birds nearby. "Who's here?" Zero asked, still unsure. The little birds were trying to fly too, each facing their own challenges. Zero decided to try something new. "Let's help each other," he called out with a small smile. The little birds gathered around him, and they started flying together step by step, lifting and encouraging each other. In the middle of flying, Zero discovered something important. Courage doesn't mean you're never afraid. Courage means you try even when you are scared. By the end of the day, Zero the little bird had become friends with all the little birds in the forest, and together they learned that friendship and support are the real strengths.